Hello world, welcome to the YouTube channel Grumpy Master 101. I am an IT enthusiast, the same old friend of yours. Today, I'm going to talk about the concept of passing an array as an argument in a submodule program using the same QBASIC language for the SEE students. After that, we will fix these elements by sorting them in ascending order. Let our inputs be the 5 elements which are in random order, like 18, 8, 70, 1, and then 50. So its output should be in ascending order, which is 1, and then 8, and then 15, and then 18, and lastly 70. Okay, so this is how we are going to fix using QBASIC language. As all of you know that you are already familiar with the concept of array, which holds the similar data types, right, in a contiguous location with the same name, during the same name, so to speak. Let's get into the program. So as usual, I'm going to declare a sub, and the name is ascend, something meaningful. Now I have to declare an array of size 5, and A is the name of that array. Next is, so I prompt my user to enter those 5 elements in any random order. I have to input here in a for loop, and after that I'm going to call this sub module where A is passed, A, which is an array, is passed as an argument, okay, as a parameter. After that, we will see the elements in ascending order, because the input has been taken in a random order, not sorted out. So after calling the ascend, we will fix these elements in ascending order. Sorry. And then we will get to see these elements which is already sorted out. Oops. In a horizontal line. And there goes our main module. Now, getting into our sub module, we will clear the screen at this point, and we will try to look at our elements in random order. Like so. Since there are 5 elements, so we will print them. Oops. Like this. Now, after printing what elements we have entered, now we are going to sort them out in ascending order. We will sort them. So for that, we will be using a nested loop concept, which means I corresponds to outer loop and J corresponds to inner loop. And every time J is ahead of I element, J index is always ahead of I index, so that there will always be a comparison between these two elements in the array. A I element should never be greater than a J element, isn't it? If they have to stay in ascending order, a I element should never be greater than a J. If that happens, then in that case we will have to swap them. Okay. Like so. Now I will run this program. Let's see how this works. Wait just for a minute. Now, yes. Now enter those 5 elements, and here I showed you that these are the elements that we are going to put in our input, which means there was 18, 8, sorry, it was 18, and then 8, and then 70, 1, 15, right? So now the elements that we entered and the elements in these elements in ascending order, this and this exactly the same. Isn't it so? Right? Which also means that we have already fixed a program which is capable of passing an array as an argument, okay, and then fixing the elements of this array A in ascending order. I hope you understood well, okay. Upon this concept, I think I could make I could propagate well over this concept, and thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed a lot, and please don't forget to support my channel. Thank you.